beautiful souls of the Dibima Relief Net community. Managing money doesn't come with a manual, and sometimes even those of us who've lived decades, worked hard and earned a pension pot, still miss the basics. Today we're looking at 5 common signs of financial illiteracy. Spot 1 or more. Don't worry, you're not alone. But knowing them is the first step to taking control. When your paycheck arrives, bills go out, and you're left wondering where it all went, and even if there's a bit left, it never seems enough to save. That's a red flag. A lack of financial literacy often means we don't track spending, or we don't distinguish between wants and needs. Over time, this makes it impossible to build real savings or handle unexpected expenses. Why it matters for 50-plus viewers. At our stage, without a solid safety net, unexpected costs, medical bills, home repairs can hit hard. Recognizing this early gives you a chance to start budgeting or prioritizing savings. If every penny is committed, bills, debt, monthly expenses, there's rarely anything left to set aside for a rainy day. That means no buffer for emergencies, which in turn creates stress, uncertainty, and dependence on credit if something goes wrong. This is a classic sign of limited financial knowledge. Why it matters. After 50, life gets full of curveballs, and being unprepared can seriously affect peace of mind. Even modest monthly saving can start building a cushion over time. Not knowing how compound interest works or misunderstanding terms of loans, mortgages, or pension products, that's financial illiteracy in disguise. When we don't understand the basics, we end up locking ourselves into bad deals or underestimating what we'll need for retirement. Why it matters. As retirement approaches or begins, these decisions become critical. A shaky understanding might mean running out of money sooner than expected, or missing out on growth. Thinking I'll deal with it later is a common trap. Sadly, financial illiteracy often makes people avoid the big picture: retirement planning, budgeting over decades, insurance, emergency plans. That delay, especially as we age, can cost more than we think. Why it matters for 50-plus. Time is less on our side now, but it's still on your side if you start planning today. A bit of foresight can offer security and peace in later years. Buying on impulse, using credit to keep up appearances, not comparing deals, ignoring the fine print. These are often symptoms of emotional or reactive financial choices. When money feels emotional rather than a tool, poor decisions follow. This is especially common if you don't understand how borrowing or interest affects long-term wealth. Why it matters. Later in life, mistakes have less time to be fixed. An emotional financial decision today may have lasting consequences over retirement years, or deprive you of comfort, stability, and peace of mind. If any of these hit home, don't be discouraged. You're not alone. It's never too late to learn. Tune in next time for simple steps you can take to turn financial illiteracy into confidence, because you deserve security no matter your age.